Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a snowflake with the proper 6 points. Start off with a square of paper. Fold it so that it has one fold to make a triangle. Then fold one corner in using the middle to make a horn, and then fold the next corner across there, so like that, so you get a second horn like that. Okay, then the next thing we do is we fold that into two. So we have a two-horned triangle. Next, cut the horns off. Okay, now you can cut into here to make the pattern of your snowflake. Watch out for the solid fold. That's like the arms of the snowflake. So cut into the other side from the solid fold, all the way along. You can make a jaggedy pattern into here. You can make a curly pattern. Okay, you can make it really complicated. Okay, you can cut all sorts of different angles into it. Okay, but cut that whole side off, and then what will happen here is we've got one arm, and then this bit will make the pattern of the snowflake. And just into the arm, I'm going to make a couple of tiny cuts like that. Okay, and then that, when we fold it out, should make our snowflake. Ta-da!